Releasing the heart has the power to bring about peace. It removes divisions between people. It reduces conflicts and quarrels. One feels carefree while doing this form. Then the experience of peace becomes natural. The heart is empty. No me, no you. Move naturally and instinctively. Let go of inhibitions. Lighten your body to nothingness. Fill your heart with love. Your heart is always full of peace and good intentions. When movements are done naturally, the heart is not affected by distractions and emotional conflicts. Think of nothing. Let the mind rest in that space of nothingness. Let go of the pain in your heart, the aches in your body. What is important is that your heart is happy. Consciously choose to be happy when doing this practice. This practice has the power to alleviate the heart's depressions. Follow the path of Qi and think of nothing. The Qi of heaven and earth will seep into you.